Right now is the most difficult time to be invested in crypto. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. Right now, in my opinion, is the most difficult time to be investing in crypto, but it is the most lucrative. Right now, there's a lot of FUD in the market. A lot of negative things are happening. If you look at the crypto market right now, you will see a lot of blood in the streets. First off, everything seems to be going lower and lower. Bitcoin is trending down, Ethereum, all the altcoins are down 40 to 60% since their all-time highs. Also, there's so much uncertainty in the market right now, especially with the whole Russia-Ukraine situation. Pretty much everywhere I look, they're saying we are days away from war. Russia is invading Ukraine, and they are creating a bunch of FUD. Who knows if they will actually invade? But we all know if a war breaks out in Europe, it will be catastrophic for the entire stock market, especially crypto. If it happens, I see crypto dropping easily another 10 to 30% from the current prices. Also, guys, there's uncertainty everywhere with the whole China situation, Russia, Ukraine, the Fed raising interest rates. Literally, there's so much uncertainty right now. All of this uncertainty is causing a lot of people to be very afraid. So they're not investing in stocks. They're not buying crypto. One other thing that I would like to mention, a lot of retail investors, regular people that invested into crypto last year, they're leaving the markets. They're selling their coins and they're moving on. A lot of these people got into the market when the hype was at all-time high, when everything was going to the moon. They were buying close to the very, very top. And if coins continue to go lower and lower, more people are going to be leaving the crypto market. But in my opinion, that is completely normal, and that presents one of the best opportunities for people to make life-changing money, to pretty much become millionaires. When everyone else is leaving, when everyone else is running for their life, that is the perfect time to be in the market. 90% of the people that were invested in crypto when Bitcoin was close to 70,000, those people are going to leave. But the 10% that stay, the ones that make it through all the tough times, through all the big dips, they're the ones that are going to be rewarded, and they are the ones that could potentially make millions of dollars once the market starts recovering. And all of those people will end up buying the dip once again, and they will start thinking to themselves, man, if I only knew about this project 6 months ago, I would have bought it. But they exited the space. But the people that stay, they're going to know about all the latest projects. They're going to be able to scoop up coins at major discounts. They'll be able to stake, accumulate even more coins. They'll be able to see which project will succeed and which one will be left in the dust. The opportunity is here. The people that stay, they're going to see that opportunity. The people that go, they're going to be buying when we are selling at the very top. A lot of people simply do not have the patience and they want to become rich overnight. But in reality, that rarely happens. You know how many people were investing in crypto in 2018 when we had the previous all-time high? Millions of people. Once the market started crashing, over 90% left. The remaining people that stayed, they're the ones that are making life-changing money right now. Simply because they were there through all the tough times, through all the ups and downs. They were able to scoop up amazing projects at major discounts. The same thing, in my opinion, is happening right now. Patience in crypto definitely gets rewarded. I'm not telling you go out there and spend every single dollar that you have on crypto. All I'm saying is stick with crypto, stay in the game, stay through all the tough times. You'll be amazed how much knowledge you'll be able to obtain and how much opportunities you will get. Right now it might be very difficult to invest in crypto, especially when you open up your portfolio and you see red and your balance is lower than it was yesterday. Do not worry, do not let it stress you out. We're in the same boat. We are all in this together. And hopefully there's a lot of bright days ahead and we make a ton of money in the process. But me, guys, I'm sticking with crypto. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not selling out. I'm staying. I'm holding on to all of my positions, probably buying some more dips because I believe crypto is the future and crypto is here to stay. So I'm definitely sticking with crypto. And as always, guys, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section below, are you leaving or are you staying? And see you in the next video. Peace out.